gonna do these sweet potatoes salt.
We
Oh, look at you. Rub on.
gonna eat it anyway.
Okay, it comes off so let me go find a wet bucket or a bag. Let me go get something. Alrighty. Let's get to cooking. These two should do right. Like the sun got a hook to it. I have to be careful how I set them down in here. Do the best. Do the best. I'm gonna put this on here. Just kept doing yesterday. They say if you crack them up, you have to go and eat it. Huh? Well, because of bacteria expose the flesh. You want a chin? Did you need a chin? Ooh, is that a line? Okay. So I'm the excavator. What's going over here?
What I'm trying to do is get half the good.
There's enough water on this side. That's like splitting. That's not good.
Yeah. Now, just want you step back and spread your thing back. Your top. Yeah, pull it back.
Put it back towards me.
This way.
Huh? This one?
Yeah.
You want me to? Okay. You gonna try to turn it?
Ready?
Go. Ooh, look at the big worm.
I don't know about one. Give me that shell.
You gonna kill the worm? There's 2 or 3? How come they keep running? Huh? Those are worms, I think. Huh?
If you say so.
You think they snakes?
I ain't taking no chance.
It's still moving.
It's all right.
Oh boy. In y'all's way. I'm sorry, y'all. Put y'all right here. This is a 50-gallon grow bag. So it's a big one. Make sure we ain't missing that down in here. Split out on it. They splitting. Georgia Peach Nut, you guys. We are doing the 50-gallon sweet potato grow bag that I wasn't going to do until Friday. But I got some help.
This is in the bag. We got nothing else in
Y'all feel that lesson? Okay, so we're gonna get into these. The ones that we tumbled over, there was some underneath it. Push it on over here. Huh? Check over there. Nothing over there either. Okay. Hmm?
Do with the knife.
Well, I guess I put all the dirt back in there.
You ready? Give me the shit. Just give me the shit.
Indeed. Let's make sure one more time, then go down to the bottom.
You don't trust me.
Huh?
Told you.
I'll go on top. Okay. I'm going to take me down that right. Okay. Let me go get another shovel. Not too shabby. Sweet potato harvest number 2. All right, you guys. Add these onto there. Not too bad. They went less than 120 days. Probably close to 110 at the most. I'll see you in the garden. Georgia Peach Nut signing out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.